Hey there friends, I found an interesting tree here in this ravine. Let's check it out. All right, we got this old dead beech tree here. Just missed these oysters by a few days. We got some violet-toothed polypore, those are really old. Up here we have some resinous polypores. These are still maybe edible, at least the outside edges. That one's kind of funny, looks like a hat. And there's some more resinous polypores up there. And some old bracket fungus, Termites esculi funguses. But the most interesting thing is down here. But look at this. Check out the size of this lion's mane. Oh, stuck to the branch. There we go. Oh god. Oh, yeah. Definitely some more resinous polypores. Wow. It's like a good 20 inches across. 20 by 12. Let's see if I can pull it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's beautiful. A little on the older side, but that's the biggest lion's mane I've ever found, that's for sure. Wow. Check this thing out. That's enough lion's mane for a whole year. Ginormous. Very impressive mushroom. Very impressive find. Really excited about that. All right, cool. There's a few other things here I want to show you. So here we have some nice fresh, pillowy, wet resinous polypores. Those would be good to eat. Here's some older ones. You can see when they get older, they get kind of hard and velvety. You see little holes where the resin was coming out when they were younger. Here's the kind of one. And then up here, quite a few more resinous polypores there. Up here we have an artist conch that has grown flat-faced. It's a perfect plaque. That's pretty cool. Well, this has been quite the tree today. All right, now I gotta figure out how to get this thing out of here. All right, here it is in all its glory. An amazing lion's mane mushroom. It is very heavy and very wet. My fingers are dripping with lion's mane juice right now. The largest lion's mane I've ever found. Probably the largest lion's mane I'll ever find. Usually they're just kind of like a softball or baseball size ball on the side of a standing dead tree or dying tree. This was on a dead beech tree that was laying in the ravine there. And I had found lion's mane on that log before. I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago. Just kind of like, yeah, a smaller, normal sized one. But this one is a giant glacier sized one. So that's something to keep in mind, that you can find lion's mane on the same tree, the same location over and over again if you look. Unfortunately, I won't be eating it because that ravine was a dump site for decades. It's been quite a while since anybody's thrown any trash down there, but there's probably some heavy metals and toxins in the soil where this tree was growing. So I'm not going to take any chances with that, unfortunately. But it's still not a mushroom I will soon forget. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time on Mushroom Journeys.